It is cloudy outside, it's windy, but I haven't flown an RC plane since yesterday, so I'm gonna be flying the Timber. And so before I take this plane out, I actually want to get some shots from the air. So I got this little tiny camera. I'm gonna put that on the plane, and I have a 3D printed mount for this camera right here because I've lost two of these cameras before, and I don't want to lose this one, so that's gonna go on right there. The camera goes in that, and we'll get some cool shots from the air. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.